Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to draw this fun little gingerbread man. Well, this one's going to be fun, but I had a whole assortment of other ones, different faces, even a bite taken out of one of them is all shocked. Anyway, so if you like gingerbreads like I do when I was growing up, I think you're going to enjoy this lesson. So if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it very much. Well, what can you take home from this lesson is kind of what I said in the very beginning. I had a gingerbread with all different faces and different expressions and even a bite mark out of it. Well, use this, no pun intended, a cookie cutter shape of the gingerbread that you have there and change the face. Put maybe a girl face on it or another expression on it. Change the type of clothing on it if you were actually doing all the pinstriping and adding all the fun colors. So use your imagination and your creativity, which I know you guys have. Well, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.